Watch the serve, watch the serve. Oh my days, what a serve. Slips. Got up. Oh! Nice ball over, but on. What a set. Bang! What a hit. See what he can do? Yes, it's over the net. Wow. Up still. Blocked again. It's up. Back go. Yes. Jump float. Yes. Take up nicely. On fourth. While we can. Oh! What a dump by Alan Santosh. And it's over. It's over. Oh! What a pass. And a dump attempt. But it's missed. It's over. What a dive. What a dive. Oh, fortunately. What a rally. Service is over. But the pass goes over. Set. And it's a block. It's a block. Wow. Free ball. What can he do? Oh, back row. Oh. A little bit of confusion here. Oh. They jump serve it. It's Samson. Oh. Left hand tip. Right in the middle, in the center of the court. Alan Santosh at the service line. Jump floats. And it's in. Wow. What a ace. Ace, ace, ace. Once again, can he make it? Could he do it? Alan Santosh is at the service line. Again. It's a float. Gets it in. Oh, and a well done spike. Samson at the service. They tip it. It's up. What can they do? Hit that tip right where there's no one. What a genius play. A mastermind. Set. A tip. Oh, and unfortunately, the pass hit the net. And they couldn't take the ball up again. Service line again. What a pass. What a... Stopped in the... Oh, what a play by the opponent. Service line again. What a pass. What a set. And a hit. But... Oh, that was a close block. Almost had it. Unfortunately, couldn't make it through. Oh! What? Found the gap! The gap in the double block. Let's see what they could do now. A pass goes up. A set. And a hit. At the service line again. Hits it over. A pass goes up. And tip. But it's up. Oh, what a back row attack. But... Oh! What? Let's see what they can do. Let's go, let's go. Vincent again. Oh! Alan Santos with the one-hand dom. Hits it over. A pass, a set, and a spike that's blocked. Set. Vincent, ooh, no. They get it up. That's set by the 5. It's a back shot. Oh! Oh, gonna be a tough battle. I already know it. And it's a failed block attempt. The floater. Power hit. Service. And it's over. And it's a set. And it's a well done spike. Abel, what do you think? Are we going to make a comeback or not? Definitely will. Look at them. They're playing way better right now. See, look. They just shanked a nasty spike by Samson Achachi. He's nasty like the thing. Floater. Good job. Vincent, he hits it. Roll shot. They set it over the block somehow. Vincent. Oh! Just it. What a pass. And a spike that goes out. What a tip. I went into the block and onto the ground. Oh, what a dig. Spike. Oh, what a one-hand pass. A roll shot. 50-50. What a spike. What an up. How is that going over? And the ball goes up. The other team is surely unsure that if we did touch it or not. What a spike, but it unfortunately goes out. Service goes over. What a block. And the spike gets it into the net. Our point again. Service goes over. It's a back row attack. Ball is up. The set is up. And this middle. He does! What a serve. Way out. Jump serve. And it's up. It's set. And it's a tip. Oh, and it barely goes over, but it still went over. Nice placement. It's up. And another set. Set goes over. Oh, what a spike. Another service.